Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Quickly rolling into today's video, my cousin and I are reuniting and she is back from Texas and I couldn't wait to get my hands into that beautiful hair. She has a brassy level 6 with some bands of level 4 and it is a box color. She is a naturally dirty blonde and we are trying today to get her back to her roots the best as possible and keep her hair very healthy in the process. So you guys know when color correcting, I love going in with a tightly packed baby light or a teasy light, and we ended up choosing today to do a full tightly packed baby light. I love doing a full tightly packed baby light when doing a color correction because my baby lights are a bit smaller than the average. Always remember, the smaller the amount of hair, the better the saturation and the lighter the hair will lift. Is it more work for me? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I am using the love of my life, Joico's Blonde Life with 20 volume. You guys know I'm really loving this lightener more and more every time I use it. It has a bond enhancement built into it like Olaplex, so you don't need to use Olaplex, which is really cool. But it's always better in my eyes with double the protection, so I am using a 16th ounce of the liquid gold like I always do. I love it so much and it is built into my pricing. Today I am using my newest favorite foiling pattern. You can use it for a regular highlight or a baby light. It's a brick lay in the back, starting with 2 foils at the bottom, then 2 on the right, then 2 on the left, and then back to the middle with 2. And then I repeat this all the way up until it's to the point where it's not as wide on the sides. Then I just go straight up through the middle. In the front parts, I still work off of a diagonal with the slices or baby lights. Today I decided to do 2 slices and then work my way back in to my really small baby lights. As I continue on doing diagonal up the sides and the front, I begin getting less diagonal. It's hard to explain, but you guys will see it soon here coming up, exactly what I mean. This is an amazing foil technique. You should try it. It's honestly my favorite so far into my career. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am alternating each foil. One foil I'll go all the way up to the root. The next one I'll stay about an inch or 2 away. And this will help me get more of a rooty look because that's the point of what we're doing. So we don't have to go all the way to the top. Just explaining in case you guys noticed.
I was writing out the fall. If it would ever stop, I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return. I didn't know where I was going from there, trying to see what was over in the clear. It was right in front of me, in front of me. Waiting on the edge for everything to start. I couldn't see my hands. This emotion was an art, but things I couldn't mend will never be too far. And now I'm standing up against a wall. Wish I could start this all over again, in trying to make sense of it. I miss the entire moment, something I needed to admit.
I am doing a tease and weave, basically teasy lights on the dropouts to kick out as much pigment as possible. I bumped my lightener up to 30 volume because these foils aren't sitting as long, nor are they close enough to receive heat from the head. I am not doing every dropout, I'm alternating doing one then skipping one, and I hope this all makes sense. By the way, have you guys seen all of these foils in her head? We counted for fun. I forgot exactly what the number was last night, but I think we had about 160 or 170. However, my record is still 224 that I know of. We're going to throw bleach on.
Oh, handsome devil.
You are naturally like dirty blonde, Jay. So my other cousin, Jay, my cousin Chelsea's younger brother, was at the salon hanging out with us, and he decided he wanted to try to go on the lighter side of things. So he is a natural level 6 dirty blonde, so I threw Blonde Life with 25 volume without Olaplex all over his head while my other cousin processed. Jay, he processed for a total of 30 minutes, and Chelsea processed for around 35 minutes.
I was writing out the fall, if it would ever stop. I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return. I didn't know where I was going from there, trying to see what was over in the clear.
Guys, please forgive me for the spot that's on the camera. I did not notice until later on in the session, and as soon as I noticed, I wiped it really clean quick. But unfortunately, guys, I totally forgot to record mixing my root toner as well as my toner formulas for him and her. It was a very long day at the salon. My village hosted the 150th annual Fireman's Parade, but this was the actual county parade this year in the competition. The parade itself lasted almost 3 hours, and my salon is directly across from the Memorial Park where they started. So we had a few clients who couldn't make it in, and it was hectic and crazy, but I want to thank all the clients who did make it in later on in the evening, as well as my cousins who came in as well. We finished approximately 10:30 last night. I might actually look through my phone for some footage and add it on towards the end of this video. If I do, I'll let you guys know before the ending. But I want to congratulate my town, the firefighters, and everyone who serves in any kind of way. I congratulate you all from the bottom of my heart. It's amazing what you guys do. We're so thankful here in Warwick. And by the way, I want to congratulate you all on your big win last night. It makes me honestly so proud. And the parade continues 2 hours later. This is the end of it. This is the last time we'll be in Warwick for a while. So, the trophies will be handed out in a little bit over at Memorial Park.
They had the trophies in the parade, yeah.
So I decided to base root my cousin, which is my version of a root shadow. I'm using Lumishine Demi-Liquid 6N, 6NA equal parts. I get a lot of questions always asking how I root tone blonde hair with ash and never fill, and how it doesn't go green or muddy on me. I'm going to do a video in depth on this, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because it's coming, and it's coming really soon.
Was writing out the fall, if it would ever stop. I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return.
Don't drop it. Put your fingers there.
Bug,
It's already on. And just get me mushing this in.
Oh, yeah.
This picture I took is low-key really creepy. Look at my eyes.
Yeah, it is.
Stroke that hair.
Someone said your hair came out great, by the way. I was like,
Not even done.
I should be a vlogger.
you should be ugly.
Brett, you're so lame.
I toned her with shades EQ, 7N, 7NB, 7T, 8T, 8V. Ben. Not that fast, Jay. This is what his hair looked like. And this is her hair. Oh my god.
Does Nicholas like it?
Yeah, he loves it.
This is
you like mine?
beautiful. In one session. Unbelievable. It's unreal. It really is. Wait till you see it on camera. So that's gonna do it. Video number 33 is now in the history books. Give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. I did it. Of course it looks good. Do not forget I post every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Click the bell so you're notified and let me know down below videos you want to see. Until next time, so long for now.
And now I'm standing up against a wall.